I wanted to share with you the stand I made for my winter camp. I built it for bucking up fallen trees to make it a little bit easier and safer. It's foldable, it's fairly compact because I have to bring it out by sled, and it's adjustable. I've never been a huge fan of bucking up trees that are flat on the ground. It's tough on the chain, you get more binding that way. So I prefer to have things off the ground if possible. And I have several trees that have fallen that the wind have knocked over by my camp. And the only thing keeping them off the ground is the root ball system at the back. And once you start bucking those up, the tree's going to come crashing down. It can kick sideways on you. Plus these trees are on a slope as well. It's a little difficult demonstrating this in the backyard, but I think you'll get the idea. So you have your fallen tree, 40, 50 feet long, whether it's a foot off the ground or 2 feet. You adjust the height with these holes. You wedge it under the tree. You have 20, 30 feet sticking out, and you just start bucking. When you're done, you can move this out of the way, move it further down, and you can just adjust with all these holes. All these nails I have sticking out, that's to bite into the log so it doesn't kick out. I've had logs jump out at me before. And you can also adjust it in case you're on a slope. I have this rope going in between to keep the legs from opening up all the way. Just have a knot on the back with the washer. If I was building this for the backyard, I'd probably have these a little bit longer to make it more stable. You can always step on these. Helps hold it in place. But because I'm bringing it by sled to my camp, I gotta keep it as compact as possible. And until I have my hernia surgery, I won't be able to bring this out to camp. But I think it's going to work fine. Let me know what you think. One thing I forgot to mention is this stand isn't meant for huge diameter trees. This rope here on the bottom is pretty heavy duty, but you could switch that to chain. And you could also build this out of square tubing, which would make it a lot stronger.